Guys, welcome back to another video from Zendri's Home Style Cooking. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make these delicious chicken kebabs. Oh my goodness guys, they're so tasty and delicious, and they're very easy to make. You're going to enjoy this recipe, and it's the perfect appetizer for any get together, whether it's party, baby shower, bridal shower. It is just so perfect. So if you're interested to see how I make these, then stick around and let's get cooking. These are all the ingredients that we're going to be needing for this recipe. So I have here 2 large chicken breasts. This is about 2 pounds, but you don't have to use chicken breast. You can also use chicken thighs, deboned chicken thighs if you choose. Okay, I also have my seasoning here, and I'll be using, this is 1 teaspoon of jerk season. You don't have to use the jerk season, but yes, I'm using the jerk marinade, sorry. As well as 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. I also have 1 tablespoon, and this is some garlic, ginger and pimento powder, 2 tablespoons of poultry seasoning, 1 tablespoon of dry jerk season, and I also have my green season here, some ground black pepper, paprika, as well as cayenne powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cut my chicken up in cubes. I haven't washed it as yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it and show you the size we're working with. Okay, so what I like to do when I'm doing my chicken, I first like to go in and cut it in strips. So I think I can get about 2-3 strips from this, because I don't want it to be too thin. So that size is perfect. So I'm just going to cut this into about ½ inch thick, and ensure your knife is sharp guys. My knife is not very sharp. Right. So as you can see, nice and perfect, and we're just going to continue and cut up all the remaining. Okay guys, so this is how it is looking. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash it with some lime and a little bit of vinegar, and then we can go ahead and season. Okay, so the chicken is nice and clean, as you can see. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going in with some olive oil to my chicken, right? Then I'm adding my seasoning. So that was the all-purpose, the ginger, garlic and pimento. Add in my dry jerk season, as well as the poultry seasoning. I'm also going to add in my black pepper, and I'm adding about a teaspoon of black pepper. I'll just list all the correct measurement down below. Okay guys, right? Add in my paprika, and the paprika is to give it some color, because I'll be doing it in the oven. I'm not doing it on a grill. And rub all of these up together. Okay, so guys, this is how it is looking. As you can see, it seasoned nicely. So I'm just going to add some cling wrap to it, and I'm going to put it in the fridge and allow it to marinate for about 4 hours, because I do have some time today. You could also prep and do it from overnight. Allow it to marinate from overnight. Both red as well as yellow, and I have green. I'm using 1 red onion. You could use the white onion as well, and I have some pineapple here. The pineapple is totally optional. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut them up in some nice little cubes. Alright, so so I'm going to cut this in 2. all the bell peppers as well as the onions, so I'm just going to put that aside a bit, and I'm going to cut up the pineapple. I'm going to separate the pineapple because I'm going to season up the vegetable. I don't want any seasoning on the pineapple, but if you choose, you could add some on yours. I don't like it on it. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it and put it in a separate container. About this. Jar my pineapples. Season, we're just basically doing the same thing, but we're not using all the seasoning I used earlier. So just add some olive oil to it, some black pepper, and that's basically it, right? Right, so we're just going to put this aside until we are ready to use it. My chicken is finished marinating, and I'm going to go ahead now and start putting my kebabs together. I also have my skewers here that have been soaking in some water for at least an hour. Yes, this is to help preventing the sticks from getting burned once you start doing them. Although I'm doing mine in the oven, but I still go ahead and soak it. Alright, so as it regards putting your kebabs together, it doesn't really matter the order in which you choose to put it. I like to add like vegetables first, then my chicken, then vegetables again, chicken, then pineapple at the top, or sometimes I'll add the pineapple in the middle. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. So get your skewer, and then as I said, vegetables first. So I'm just going to add my bell pepper, maybe right here. And I'm only going to do 2 pieces at a time. No. Let's then like this. Right. So this time I'm going to add it. And you don't want to add it too close. You want to give it enough room so that everything can be cooked evenly. So close, yes, but not too close. All right. I want to do like 3 pieces of chicken to it. I don't really want to do 4 to it, but I'm gonna add 1 more piece of chicken and then add my pineapple. So guys, what I did, I changed it up a bit. So since I have enough pineapples, what I did was to add 2 instead of the 1. So this is how it is looking so far. So I'm just going to finish up and then I'll show it to you. Okay guys, so there you have it. They're all finished, and in total I got 6. I did 1 with just pineapple for my daughter, and then the remaining with it. You see how gorgeous they're looking? So my oven is already preheated, and I'm going to put them in, and I'm going to allow them to, alright, we're going to say bake. About 50 minutes in, so I'm going to go ahead and flip them over and be very careful because the skewer is very hot and it's spinning. So I'm just going to flip the ones that spin a while ago back over to this side. Right. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, so we're going to put these back in the oven and allow them to finish up. Let me get the cord for this one. They're spinning, as you can see, so I'm just setting them straight. Right, so back in the oven until they're finished. There you have it, my lovely peeps. My chicken kebabs is all finished, and oh my goodness, they're so tasty and delicious, and the aroma in the kitchen is just top notch. Okay, so I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this recipe, so go ahead and try it out. And as I said, they made the perfect appetizer. So once again, I hope you did enjoy today's video, and if you did enjoy it, guys, don't forget, give me a big thumbs up. Remember to share the video with your friends and your family, as well as leave your comment down below and let me know what you think about today's video. As well, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and be a part of the family, as well as follow me and all my social media pages. On Instagram, it's Zendry_home_style_cooking, as well as on Facebook, it's Zendry's Home Style Cooking. So until I come your way again with something super awesome, delicious, from my kitchen to yours, take care, guys, and enjoy. Bye. I see you in the next one.